asset owners, it's super interesting because now we can very quickly repair a spot before it starts spreading. And if we repair it early on, you can extend the lifetime of assets significantly. I'm Valentin, I'm Senior Robotics Engineer at Voliro. And in a small team, we're now developing a spot repair set of payloads. With our current surface preparation payload that we have here, we can prepare an area of about 30 by 30 centimeters or a square foot with just one flight, one set of batteries. So that's about in 5 minutes you could prepare this area and make it ready for painting. To repair a spot, we have 2 steps. In the first step, we use this rotary tool that we co-developed with Monty Power. And with this rotary impact tool, you can remove, on one hand, the rust, but you also prepare the surface so that you have a rough finish at the end, so that we can then, in a second step, put on another payload, a painting payload, where we then put on and paint over with a protective coating. Currently, our spot repair payloads are operated by Voliro pilots, so from our company. And they're running under the Voliro Lab program. So that means we're working hand in hand with customers to improve these systems and to try out and learn together. And so we would like you to reach out to us if you have any spots to repair or see any use cases for it. And we're happy to send over a pilot and do these repairs for you.